Whooping cough is seriously affecting pēpi in Aotearoa. Whooping cough can make pēpi so sick that they need to go to hospital. Some pēpi die. Very young pēpi with whooping cough can stop breathing, go blue, not be able to feed and get exhausted. Older pēpi and tamariki get a runny nose, then a cough which gets worse and can last weeks or even months. They can have long coughing spasms, gasp for air between the spasms, get very red in the face, vomit after the coughing spasms. Once pēpi and tamariki get whooping cough, there's no medicine that will make it better, but you can prevent whooping cough. The only way to protect pēpi from whooping cough is by immunizing. Whooping cough immunization during pregnancy is free and protects pēpi in their first weeks of life. Start immunizing pēpi the day they turn 6 weeks old to keep protecting them. Whooping cough immunization is free for pēpi from GP practices and Māori and Pacific immunization providers. Hapu Mama can also have free whooping cough immunization at lots of pharmacies.